Unraveling Idioms, the charm of arm in arm. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unlock the mystery behind a charming English idiom that you might have come across in books, movies, or conversations. It's the phrase, arm in arm, and understanding it can not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you grasp the cultural nuances of English. So, let's stride forward. Shall we, arm in arm with English? To walk, arm in arm, with someone is to walk together with your arm linked with another person's arm. This phrase conjures up a picture of closeness, companionship, or solidarity. It's often used to describe a scene where two or more people are walking side by side, each with an arm intertwined with the other's. Figuratively, it can also symbolize unity or agreement among a group of people. While we might not delve into a history lesson, it's fascinating to know that idioms like arm in arm have been used for centuries. They evolve from literal actions that become metaphorical over time, carrying more meaning than the words themselves initially suggest. Understanding such origins can make these phrases more memorable and give us insights into cultural history. You can use arm in arm in a variety of contexts. It's perfect for storytelling, describing historical events, or even when talking about a unity march. It adds a touch of emotive imagery to your language, allowing your listeners or readers to visualize the bond between the subjects. For example, the couple walked arm in arm along the beach, watching the sunset. The protesters marched arm in arm, united for their cause. It's easy to confuse arm in arm with similar-sounding phrases or misuse it in a sentence. One common mistake is to use it when there's no implication of unity or togetherness, which can muddy your intended meaning. So, ensure the context is right when you opt to use this phrase. We've walked arm in arm through the explanation of this delightful idiom, and I hope it's clear and ready to be used in your next conversation or story. Remember, idioms like these are the threads that add color and texture to the fabric of a language. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them with the ease of a native speaker. Until our next language adventure, keep learning and stay curious.